Hello, my lovelies. So today I'm going to show you my daytime routine when I wake up and wash my face, and then I put on some lovely cream. What do I have? Virgin olive oil day cream. I like this cream because it's virgin olive oil. My grandma had very beautiful skin, and all she used was, in those days, you'd get a can of oil and she would just put the olive oil straight onto her face, and she had beautiful skin. So I thought, that is the cream that I should use. So that's the cream I use. And then after that, what I do, I spray my face with this mist. Let me go and bring it. Then I spray it with this, which is the rose hip and oil and vitamin C. So close my eyes. And that's it, that's done. Then I give myself a facial massage, a lymphatic drainage massage, which what that does is sends more oxygen to all the cells on your face and drains out the toxins. So you take one of these and you have these drainage points here and here. So you take one of these and you roll up to the drainage points 3 times in many strokes, and the under eye area you can do with the smaller end. So I use this one. If you have a genuine Jade one, you're lucky, you can use one of those. Or sometimes I use this one, which gives a bit of a vibration while doing it, so it's got batteries in it. So let's get that on, and this is what you do. One, 2, 3, and repeat. 1, 2, 3. How many of you ladies out there are doing this? This is a routine I've only started recently, but spending this much time on myself wasn't possible before when I had younger kids. Now I have older kids, so a bit of self-care is not a bad thing. What do you say? And if you are young and you don't have a family as yet and you're just looking after yourself, why not add this into your routine? It can only do good. So about 3 times each. Let me try with the other one. So how's your day going? I hope you're having a good Friday. It's nice and sunny here where I am. And then you take this. Oh, it feels so nice and cool, gently does it. Sometimes the world has changed so much. It's so nice that women are able to spend a bit more time on themselves. They're learning from YouTube and TikTok and Instagram what to do. But yeah, go and check out for yourself before you do this, whether you believe in it, whether it's right. It's a Chinese thing. So ancient wisdom. Let's all learn from it. Have a good day. Till next time. Bye.